Okay, we're back, and here we have our cupcakes. Now let's spray them so they don't get sticky. Okay. If we could open it. Okay. Now let's spray them. Oh. Okay, now let's, perfect. Okay, we're missing some over there. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's just dump the whole thing on. Look at these, they look delicious. Okay, let's put some sprinkles on it. Okay, garlic's okay. Okay, now, let's put them into the oven. Okay, they're into the oven. Okay, we'll just have to wait a couple seconds. What to do? We should start cleaning this up. I have an itch on my nose. Great. Okay, I think they're done. Yum! Then it's okay. We'll just have it then.
Now I know everything.
Okay, don't
It's
make me
the spray stuff.
What about the spray?